Hey Glam Dolls, I'm back to answer an official Glam Doll that has written in, and when I say official, that means a subscribed Glam Doll. Okay, okay, so oh, wait a minute, if you're a newbie passing through, you see me for the very first time. My name is Glam, and I'm all about being a beauty on a budget who loves not breaking her bank for a fabulous look. So I strongly encourage that you hit that subscribe button and join this amazing community. Therefore, you will never miss another upload of me sharing a fab beauty on a budget find. So an official Glam Doll had written in, and she did write in more than once inquiring, how do I remove my artificial nails? Yes, my artificial nails. So again, if you're a newbie watching me for the very first time, I wear artificial nails, okay, and I wear them so much that I switch them out every other day. I know, yeah, my nails gotta either match my mood, my outfit, or perhaps my hair, like in this video with the navy blue nails, navy blue hair. You get where I'm going with this. But anyhow, because I switch my nails out so much, I use the Liardi adhesive nail glue tabs, okay, to put my artificial nails on. And what the tabs look like, they come in a pack like this. You're getting 20 to a sheet, and this is what they are looking like. These are self-adhesive glue tabs that I use to apply my nails. Now, before you even decide to say, hey, how do you apply your nails, check down in the comment section, because I will link a video there in the comment section. I will link the video in the description box, and I will even link the video at the end of this video sharing with you all how I've been applying my artificial nails. But my Glam Doll wrote in and was like, how do you remove them? Glam Doll, you watching this? I'm gonna show you how I remove these nails. Now, as you can see, my nails are on. You see, I'm scratching myself. My nails are on. They're not coming off for nothing. But this is how I remove them. I take my y'all better not judge me. Don't judge me about it. I take my this is gonna be funny. This right here I use to apply my eyelashes, okay? But I'm gonna use, this is what I use to take my nails off, real talk. So this is my thumb. I take this and I start separating the side, okay? Separating the side gently, gently, gently. Once I get it separated, I keep going like this. I hold, put it underneath there, and voila! That's how I remove my nails. I mean, I don't really have no special way of doing it. That way may not be a way that will work for you. That is a way that definitely does work for me. And as you can see, the glue tab did not damage my natural nail. It didn't mess up my nail, and it actually enables me to peel the glue tab off the artificial nail, so when I'm ready to reuse the set that I just had on, I'm able to do so. So on that note, dolls, that's about it. This is to my Glam Doll who have written in saying, hey Glam, you know, you're always sharing your artificial nails, you're always showing us fabulous designs, but how do you remove them, girl? Glam Doll, this is how I've been doing it. See, this is what I love about artificial nail. There's no commitment. Oh my God, I stopped using nail glue about a little over, maybe almost a year ago, with gluing the nails on, because I don't want to commit. I don't feel like committing to no artificial nails, and that's my personal preference. I don't want to commit to the artificial nails because I need to be flexible. I need my nails to match either my mood, my outfit, the wig I'm wearing, or whatever, you know. I just don't want to do the commitment. So I've been using the Liardi adhesive glue tabs, which are excellent, by the way, but like I said, that's for temporary, okay? Temporary, not for permanent. If you want your nails to last more than 2 days, 3 days, or a day, then you have to use the nail glue. And the video that I have linked for you shows you in detail what nail glue is my strongest preference, which is the pink gel glue. I already have that information for you down below, sharing with you all the glue. So here we go, and voila, that's it, doll. And these are my natural nails. Like that, see? Like this, like that, like this, like that, like that. So that was it. This is going to, yeah, conclude the video. But I want to thank you all for taking the time to watch this video, and shout out to my official glam doll who did write in and ask me. I didn't list your name in this video because you didn't say it was okay to do so, but we have had our conversation, so you know I'm talking directly to you. And I appreciate you for that. On that note, dolls, thank you all for taking the time to watch this video. I'm going to go remove the rest of my nails. And I will see you all in another video again shortly. Later, dolls.